Hi, we're at Harvest Moon Produce for Open Farm Day.
Yeah.
Good afternoon and welcome to Harvest Moon Produce on Open Farm Day.
We're in one of the hoop houses here at Harvest Moon Produce where they're growing some beautiful tomatoes.
These are so big.
This is Anna Cisco, and she is preparing some wonderful things with fresh produce from Pat's Garden.
Yeah, today I made tabbouleh. This is a sort of non-traditional tabbouleh. It's made with quinoa, which is a grain that has no gluten in it. And it has Pat's Sun Gold cherry tomatoes, which are famous for being some of the sweetest cherries. And it has some of her slicer cucumbers and a little bit of her pickling cubes. The herb.
We've been ordering greens and vegetables from Pat for 3 or 4 years, and it's always been top quality, and we really love it. And we like to order online and pick it up at the farmers market. That's
And she's a great customer relations person. Does a wonderful job dealing with her customers. So pleasant and enjoyable.